that same vein, now is the time where the same kind of energy we would put in our blog posts, we have to really put it in the form of our favorite social media platform as far as like the awareness. I think if you want quick brand awareness, I would say spend some time going all in on TikTok, especially if you are a food blogger. Get out there, show those recipes, and just always have the link in your bio. Like, hey, you want the recipe link? Go to my bio. And then you can set up one of those, I know, like I forgot, Linktree, where you can list out things. And so you can make sure that Linktree has the last few recipes you may have done on TikTok. So you can just start driving that traffic back to your website. And also I would do YouTube. YouTube takes a lot of work, but that's where you're going to get a lot of the brand awareness, the people who are become like your loyal people, your day ones. It is a grind, just like blogging, but if you stick with it for like 1 to 2 years, and I know that sounds like a lot disheartening, it can be disheartening, but it's just what we have to do in this age of blogging. And I always tell my husband, like, you don't want to be a Kmart